everyone. This is Mary Josna from Andhra Loyola College. In this video, we are going to discuss problems on continuity. So, as a first example, I am considering the function f of x defined as f of x is equal to e power 1 by x minus e power minus 1 by x by e power 1 by x plus e power minus 1 by x if x not equal to 0 and f of 0 is equal to 1. So, in this problem, I have to check whether my function f is continuous at 0 or not. In my previous videos, I have already said the definition of continuity. A function f is said to be continuous at some function a if its right hand limit equal to left hand limit is equal to the functional value. So, in my first step, I will find out the right hand limit of f at x equal to 0. In my second step, I will find out the left hand limit of f at x equal to 0. So, this is my step 1 and this is my step 2. Okay. So, what is the right hand limit? Right hand limit means nothing but f of 0 plus, which is nothing but limit h tends to 0 f of 0 plus h. Right hand means 0 plus. Okay. That is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of h. F of h means nothing but in place of x you simply substitute h. Okay. That is equal to limit h tends to 0 e power 1 by h minus e power minus 1 by h by e power 1 by h plus e power minus 1 by h. Since here h tends to 0, 1 by h tends to infinity. So, we cannot find the value of e power 1 by h. So, in the next step, I will take e power 1 by h as common from both numerator and denominator. So, that will be equal to limit h tends to 0 e power 1 by h 1 minus e power minus 2 by h. Similarly, in the denominator, e power 1 by h common this is the 1 plus e power minus 2 by h. Both e power 1 by h get cancelled in numerator and denominator. So, it will be equal to limit h tends to 0 1 minus e power minus 2 by h 1 plus e power minus 2 by h. As I said, as h tends to 0, 1 by h tends to infinity. So, e power minus infinity nothing but 0. So, that is equal to 1 minus 0 by 1 plus 0. So, that is nothing but 1. So, this is my step 1. In step 2, I will find out the value of left hand limit of f at x equal to 0. So, left side means f of 0 minus. So, that is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of 0 minus h, which is nothing but limit h tends to 0 f of minus h. F of minus h means in place of x you simply substitute minus h. So, that will be equal to limit as h tends to 0 e power minus 1 by h minus e power minus of minus plus by e power minus 1 by h plus e power minus of minus means plus 1 by h. Similar to step 1, take e power 1 by h common from both numerator and denominator. So, that will be equal to limit h tends to 0 e power 1 by h common. You will be left with e power minus 2 by h minus 1. Similarly, in denominator also you take e power 1 by h as common. Then you will be left with e power minus 2 by h plus 1. E power 1 by h, e power 1 by h gets cancelled. So, that value will be equal to limit h tends to 0 e power minus 2 by h minus 1 by e power minus 2 by h plus 1. limit h tends to 0, 1 by h tends to infinity. E power minus infinity, 0. So this will be equal to 0 minus 1 by 0 plus 1, which is nothing but minus 1. So my right hand limit is equal to plus 1 and my left hand limit is equal to minus 1. Plus 1 and minus 1 are not equal. Therefore, my right hand limit is not equal to left hand limit. Both the limits exist but they are not equal. So this will be goes under jumped discontinuity. That means this type of discontinuity belongs to discontinuity of first kind. I hope you all understood this problem. Thanks for watching.